Okay, about to troubleshoot another unit. Turn my service switch on. Alright, call for heat. Furnace is going through a sequence. Thermostat, booster motor, pressure switch. Next thing supposed to happen is the igniter. Furnace went off. Sequence stopped at the pressure switch. But I still hear something going. Blower motor is still running. When the blower motor is running, that lets me know that a safety switch is open. So I'm going to test my safety switches. Turn my meter on to voltage. I'm going to use my common on my board. Alright, check my rollouts. Voltage in. I have 24 volts in. Voltage out. I have 24 volts out, so that rollout is good. I have another rollout here. (24 volts in, 24 volts out), and I have a limit. Use the same common on my board. Going to check 24 volts in. I have 24 volts in. Check 24 volts going out. I don't have any power coming out of my limit switch. So that's letting me know that I have an open limit switch. But to go further, I can check the continuity of my limit switch. So I'm going to turn off the call for heat. Then I'm going to turn off my service switch. Take the wires off of my limit switch. Turn my meter to continuity. Checking the continuity of my limit switch. I have no beep, so that means that my limit switch is open and it's supposed to be normally closed. So the problem is my limit switch. Thank you.